Are you looking for the best mini electric screwdriver kits? Mini electric screwdriver kits have become essential for electronics enthusiasts, DIY hobbyists, and professionals who service tight spaces. A compact cordless driver with a broad bit assortment, strong torque control, and smart features like LEDs, magnetic storage, and USB-C charging can save time and reduce damage when working on phones, laptops, drones, and wearables. To evaluate these kits fairly, I tested each model on a representative set of tasks: cap-on screw prep.
Product number 1, Fantic E-Max Electric Screwdriver. Overview. The Fantic E-Max is a premium-looking precision driver built around a 200 RPM Neopulse motor with torque settings including a high torque 0.2 Nm, a low torque 0.05 Nm, and a manual torque of 3 Nm. Its aluminum body and magnetic storage case for 50 S2 steel bits, 12 types, provide a solid, organized kit for electronics repair, especially for laptops, cameras, drones, and mobile devices. The kit ships with a compact magnetic case and a USB-C charger, and it carries design awards, IF and Red Dot, signaling a focus on aesthetics and reliability as well as function. Price around $55.97 places it in the upper mid-tier of this comparison. Performance-wise, the E-Max delivers precise torque control suitable for delicate components. The magnetic chuck and magnetic bit design reduce bit drop during use, and the 50-bit complement covers most common and many specialized screw types. The 350 mAh battery is modest by today's standards, but the tool's claim of over 450 M2.5 by 5 mm screws per full charge suggests adequate endurance for typical repair tasks. The Type-C charging helps fast recoveries, while the aluminum construction contributes to durability and heat dissipation. The main caveat is the relatively small battery life for heavy-duty long sessions, and the 200 RPM speed may be slower for quick drive tasks compared to higher RPM pocket drivers.
Product number 2.37, Mini Electric Screwdriver Overview. The Sufisi 57-in-1 kit is a feature-rich alloy aluminum cordless driver with a 500 mAh battery, 0.1 to 0.35 Nm torque range, plus a 3 Nm manual mode. The kit includes 57 precision tools and a magnetic rotating storage bin, plus an LED work light. It's designed for broad device repair tasks, phones, cameras, laptops, watches, and aims to deliver a balance of breadth, 57 bits, and portability at $79.99, making it the premium option in scope, but still compact enough for handheld use. In practice, the 500 mAh battery plus 90-minute charging time supports quick turnaround for multiple screws, with the ability to drive over 400 screws per charge. The combination of an aluminum body and ergonomic grip helps comfort during extended sessions, while the rotating magnetic storage simplifies part organization. The LED light is a practical aid for tight, poorly lit interiors. However, the smaller torque range, 0.1 to 0.35 Nm, may be limiting for stiffer fasteners, and the weight at roughly 1.17 pounds makes it feel heavier than some pocket options. The 57-in-1 variety is excellent for frequent part swappers who encounter many odd fasteners.
Product number 3, Mini Electric Screwdriver Set 140-in-1, Unimella. Small overview. Unimella's 140-in-1 kit is a flagship budget-friendly option, featuring 120 precision bits across 12 families, plus 22 repair tools. It's designed as an all-in-one workstation with a pen-shaped form factor, 5 torque levels from 0.15 to 0.35 Nm, and a 350 mAh battery with Type-C charging. The kit emphasizes breadth and accessibility, making it ideal for hobbyists who encounter a wide range of devices: PCs, laptops, RCs, drones, cameras. The price point of $34.99 makes it an attractive entry-level choice without sacrificing too much on versatility. Performance-wise, the Unimella stands out for breadth. 120 bits plus 22 tools mean you're rarely short of the right head. The pen-style design is comfortable for extended use, and the 5 torque levels allow careful control on delicate hardware. The 350 mAh battery supports hours of intermittent work, and the Type-C charging is convenient. On the downside, the kit's compact motor and lower torque may lag on stubborn screws, and some users may crave a heavier-duty tool for larger devices. The weight, around 1.56 pounds, is reasonable for a 140-in-1 kit, but the sheer bit count can overwhelm beginners.
Product number 4, Jorest Mini Electric Screwdriver. Overview. The Jurist 38-in-1 kit targets portability and essential repair tasks with a magnetic tip, 38-bit heads, and a 5-geared torque ladder, 0.05 to 0.2 Newton meters, plus a 5 Newton meter manual torque. It's a compact option designed for everyday electronics repair: phones, laptops, drones, game consoles, cameras, and includes 4 LEDs to illuminate work areas. Its USB fast charging and aluminum body offer a good balance of practicality and portability, priced at $37.99. In real-world use, the Jurist device emphasizes efficiency and protection. Overheat protection helps extend motor life, and a 60-day standby battery life minimizes anxiety about storage. The integrated magnetic storage keeps bits organized, and the compact form factor, about 6.22 by 2.74 by 0.91 inches, makes it easy to slip into a toolkit or pocket. The modest 38-bit set covers common repair needs, but may require supplementary bits for unusual fasteners. For those prioritizing a lightweight, value-forward kit with reliable LED and magnetic features, this is a compelling choice.
Product number 5. Jurist 155 Mini Electric Screwdriver Cordless. Overview. The 155-in-1 Jurist kit is the most feature-rich in this lineup, offering 5 torque levels up to 0.75 Newton meters, plus a 7 Newton meter manual torque, a 500 mAh battery, and a 140-bit assortments, along with 13 additional accessories. It supports a wide array of devices, from iPhones to game consoles and PCs, and includes anti-static wrist strap and magnetic mat for professional use. The price is $59.99, positioning it as a strong value among high-capacity multi-bit drivers. On performance, the 5 adjustable torque levels and 200 RPM motor deliver precise control for delicate to moderately stiff screws, with the manual torque providing extra leverage for tough cases. The dual-mode handle, electric and manual, reduces dependence on power and extends usability in tight spaces. The 140 bits plus 13 accessories cover most common repair scenarios, and the included anti-static wrist strap helps prevent ESD damage. The main consideration is that, despite high bit count, some users may still encounter screws with unusual geometries that require specialized bits outside the included set.